I'm Eke Esther, and I'm a student to Fine and Applied Arts. And specifically, this work is a classwork, and there is no inspiration directly behind it. It's just to test our horizon to painting. And I think this is the second class we're having on painting. And I tend to get better with color mixtures, though I'm not perfect. And it aids my discipline of fashion design because I'm going there into fashion design. So it's kind of like helps to bring out your color blending and how things matches very well with each other. So I think this painting assists us in color mixtures and blending. And if you look at art on a whole, fashion, of which I'm going specifically into, has a lot to do with colors. So this painting, it's leading or has a link to my aspect, which is fashion. So I think that's all about it.